Alright, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys before I use this stuff up what came inside of this GNC Pro Box. So let's take a look. We got packaging, $60 gift card to HelloFresh, digestive cleanse and detox, papaya enzyme, we got a smoothie booster. I guess I could have showed you the back. Standard ripped BCAAs. These are all like a one-time sample pack, except for the papaya that's got 30 servings. Magazine. Back. Card here. Since I'm doing keto diet, I can't do this. It's got 17 grams of carbs. Thermogenic. This is the only thing that I've tried. That's the reason why I wanted to do this video, because I'd done messed up and opened this. But it makes one bottle, and here it is, and it doesn't really taste that great, and I'm just kind of sipping just a little bit each day because it is pretty strong, and the rest is just the packaging. So I wanted it to be a full out, everything. I'm sorry about this thing here, but it gives you guys an idea. And I appreciate you guys for watching, and hopefully that gives you guys an idea if you know what kind of box that you want to get. Mine, I think, was like more of like the weight loss, but if you want more like muscle and stuff like that, I think they'll give you a whole different setup. So it'll give you an idea what you want to choose. So that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. You have a great one.